Hi QA folks, the topic for today's video is what is a bug or defect in software testing. In simple words, a bug means something is broken. It's the discrepancy between the expected and the actual behavior of the system. It's issue, error in the system, unexpected behavior or inability to perform a function or an action. And also non-compliance with the requirements. Basically, all these four things means the same. So when you found a bug, you need to report it. And usually you will have to fill few fields for that. So what are the components of a bug report? Summary or title, high-level description of the problem or bug name, description. This will be the largest field, which should include detailed steps to reproduce actual results and expected results. Environment, in case you have few test environments like staging, test, UAT, dev, QA, whatever, you should specify in which one you have found it or discovered it. So environment, maybe also if it's browser specific, you will need to specify browser version, device and platform if it's for specific mobile device or something when you are testing mobile app. So this all goes under environment. Next, you should add attachments, meaning screenshot, video if necessary, and log files if you have some of those to attach. Assignee or assigned to, it's a person who will be working on it. Usually it's a project manager or product owner at first, and then he or she will reassign it to developers for fixing. Affected version, basically build version if it's known. For example, shopping cart build 2.3 or something. Priority, high, medium, low, and severity, high, medium, low. So what is the difference between those? So priority is urgency or importance of fixing that bug, considering business goals or project timelines. Basically, how fast or when do you want, or the team wants to fix it. Severity, on the other hand, it's an impact on the functionality or usability. For example, there might be some missing translations on the page, which leads to a bug. So basically, it's a bug if it's a missing translation. So the severity impact on the functionality will be low because it doesn't really affect functionality. It only affects how it looks. But the priority for this bug might be high. Regardless of the severity is low, priority might be high because it affects user experience, user interface, okay? So that's the difference between these two. Sometimes you will, on some projects, you might have only just one field saying priority/severity or something like that. Next, component. Also, if known, it's affected part of the application, basically front end, back end, card, or some subscription module or whatever. In which component on the code level it's going to be fixed, or which team is responsible for fixing this bug. Sometimes you can determine it from your side, sometimes you can't. But anyway, that's the part of bug report. And sometimes you would want to add some labels, usually to filter those issues in bug tracking systems like shopping cart release 2.3 or sprint 3 bugs or something like that. So here is the example of a bug. So let's say there is some product page, and when you click add to cart, this pop-up appears view cart. And when you click on this view cart button, you're supposed to be landed on the cart page. But when you click on it, nothing happens. So summary will be, or the name of the bug, view cart button doesn't open the cart page. Steps to reproduce will be open some your website, using search bar, find some product, open its product page, click on add to cart button and click on view button. So as much detailed as possible. Then expected results. User is redirected to the cart page. Actual results, nothing happens after click on view cart button. User is not redirected to the cart page. Then under actual results, you should attach this screenshot. And severity will be high because it affects the ability, one of the main functionalities to buy a product to view the cart. Priority also will be high because you want it to be fixed as soon as possible because it's a very critical bug. Component will be product page, for example, environment UIT, and some build number if you know it. So basically that's it. I hope it gives you better idea of what is a bug or defect in software testing. See you in the next video.